as per A as per risk matrix due to ingress of water in second stage separator. So guys, we are okay. I mean, see, this is okay, but operator will have a lot of time to react on that. Even I don't agree with, I mean, to be honest, I don't agree with response time.
No, operator don't have a lot of time. You don't you have to act within
No.
1 minute only.
Okay.
Correct, na? Where is the time operator to act?
But I
Because
mean,
it is.
Guru, can I tell
Yes.
you one thing, Guru and Khalid and Emmanuel, even if the operator doesn't have time and water goes inside the second stage separator, what is the major problem? There is no HSC problem. No major process
There's no
safety.
HSC problem because it's not LOPC.
Yeah, yeah.
HSC problem.
And no,
It will
no
just
major process safety.
obspect of the product of the oil.
So 30 minutes we can go. 30 minutes we can go. Why we are going for 1 minute, 2 minutes?
Yeah. And finally, the final product will go FST. There is also some settling there, right?
Correct, correct. So see, it is your call to make it 0 to 5 minutes.
Impact of the crude heater functionality.
Probably the RV.
Because it still has high water current to heat,
Yeah.
which is not designed against. Maybe
No problem. No problem. We have corrected the A. No problem. We are happy. Okay, guys. So now we are going for the same LAL, same transmitter LAL.
Yeah.
So this we have seen abnormal condition, and this is valid. And now we are saying this is a LCV malfunction full open.
Yeah.
Full open here.
Just copy here and they put open.
And we say low level liquid level, gas blow by. Already we have taken. Loss of gas. Guys, just a minute. Just a minute.
Chairman.
Yeah, just a minute. Just a minute. Yes, my friend.
Because in here, right, we already provided a heat system for this Lolo. Yeah, so yeah, go to this pin ID. If you go here, right, we have a hips. Go to the pin ID again.
No, just a minute. That is not a question, not a problem here.